Hello, hello. Hmm. Are we live? Hello. Let me check, guys. I think we are live now. Can you guys hear me? Yo, chat, can you guys hear me? Think I need to. Oh. Yo, chat, can you guys hear me? Okay, guys. I think there's too much latency. We'll fix this on the next stream. So yeah, I took too long to start streaming because I was shifting to my new house so that I could do all this stuff without any problem. So yeah, that took a long. So we are now on the USD cat. So there was a good setup today. By the way, I didn't take any trade today because market was consolidating between this. Let me show you from here to here. In this range, the market was consolidating. You could see the Asian range, the London session, and also the New York session. I don't know, is it bank holiday for USD CAD or not? but there was a good setup. Uh, like here you could see there was a perfect OTE from this high to this low, and also at 2020 mentorship model. Here it is. You could see there was a market structure break, no market structure shift, and then there was a fair value gap here, and we tapped into that, and then took this minor sell set liquidity. Apart from that, there was no bigger movement or aggressive movement today. If we go to GBP USDT, we could see that it's still consolidating in this range. You could say in this range it's still consolidating, and I'm looking at this high to be taken, and USDT is also consolidating. I basically trade these three currencies like USDT, GBP USDT, and USD CAT, and I use DXY for my analysis. So there was no setup for me today. I waited to see if market could give me something, but there was nothing. I just controlled myself to get into any trade today. So choppy today. I waited to see if market could give me something, but there was nothing. Just controlled myself. I don't get into any trade today. So choppy today. And Q, what can we say? And we saw two bearish day on NQ, and I don't think it's going up here today. It's going to range between this previous Friday's candles high and low. I think that's my point of view. You could see didn't even token low on the daily time frame. There is a volume imbalance though. We could say some movement tomorrow, I guess. We have we took this low. We took this low here on Friday. And if we go to NQ, and you can see that it also took that low. And I think maybe NQ is gonna take out this side today. There is a minor buy side liquidity, and also a clean fair value. This could happen, I think. And yeah, we could say an inversion fair value. Yeah. There is no daily fair value gap, bro. There's no daily fair value gap on NQ. Where do you see daily fair value gap? I don't see. No fair value gap formed yet. If this candle closes here, then there will be a fair value gap here, and tomorrow we can expect the market to tap into that and maybe could uh, go lower. I'm watching this, I think. Rush. By the way, guys, I started this stream to check out my new microphone I just bought for my streaming setup. I haven't set up everything yet. I just uh, went live today so that I could see what's going on here. And I think from tomorrow I'm going to create live on stream. By the way, I think NQ is probably gonna take this high before. Yes, it's showing kind of strength here. You could see it already took this short-term high here, but ES didn't. See, yes, didn't even took this high yet. Let's go back to USD cat. Let's see what she's doing, bro. I'm calling it she. So I am watching USD cat, and I think it's going to get down here on this uh, below this equilibrium from this side to this side, or this could go lower. But for a short-term target, you can expect the price to come below this low, this candle's low, because it's in premium. It's gonna come in this come, and there is a small fair value. So if the market, uh, this if this candle or the candle after this day closes below this fair value gap, we can expect the price to gravitate toward this low also. So USD cat is already gravitating toward this daily fair value gap, small fair value gap. Yes, bro, the room is closed. That's why there is small echo. Sorry, sorry, bro. Sorry for that. Yes, bro, the room is closed. That's why there is small echo. Sorry, sorry, bro. Sorry for that. And also today there was no any high impact or medium impact news. That's why I think market didn't present us any opportunity to get in. There was a high impact news on CHF, and there was no other medium impact or high impact news for any other currencies. CHF, Swiss franc futures. Here, you could see this was the news. By the I don't trade this obviously. Wow, wow. Did anybody catch this? What a good setup, bro. Did anybody trade this CHF JPY pair? I never did. Did anybody trade this CHF JPY pair? I never did. Oh my god. CHF JPY is almost at all-time high, I guess. Yes, it's an all-time high. CHF JPY. Guys, this pair can go a bit lower, I think. It's at all-time high. So you could see some bearish movement in this pair. We already see that Thursday happened here. Some bearish movement in this pair. We already see that Thursday happened. Okay. So USD get already took this low. This low is already been taken on USD CAD. If I was in this trade, I think it would be at least 23 pips. And how much was the would be the risk? And the risk would have been 9.3 pips. That was a good trade. Yeah, this could be a good trade. CHF had a red pull earlier. I think so. CHF had a red pull earlier, but it's at all-time high, bro. It's almost at all-time high. I think so. CHF had a red pull earlier, but it's at all-time high, bro. Almost at all-time high. It's really this two pair is just consolidating. Do not take any trade today. Sit patiently, guys. If the market presents you any opportunity tomorrow, then go with that, but do not trade today. The timer is also already, it's also 9:30. Okay. NQ is trying to reach up here. Let's see. No volatility today. Gold. Let's see gold. I don't. What I'm searching is raw USD. Gold is always volatile, bro. I never touched gold in my life. It's too scary for me. Not too scary, but the main thing is that the concept I use doesn't work here. It may sound crazy, but that's the truth. The concept I use it mostly works in forex forex currencies. Uh, there is some drawing here. It's so funny, bro. Yes, I was trying to check the mic quality. I didn't even notice that it was on all this time. Now it's off. Zoil gold. I think gold is going to take out this high. What about silver? What is silver doing? Okay, bro. Where is the silver? Silver pay. I didn't even know how to search it. I think we will take this high. It's kind of market maker buy model happening right here. This short time, this high, this low was purged. Sell side liquidity was purged, and I think there was this. Let's see this. Yeah, this order block and reacted from this order block. I think with silver there is something, some SMT right here. Okay, thank you, bro. You never traded silver or gold. That's why I don't know. Okay, the silver took this low and it will go back to gold. Okay. Yeah, right. See, gold took this low. Gold took this low, but uh, silver failed to take out this low. I think their price would go higher from here because it's Oh, wait, am I right? This flow was taken. Okay, this flow was taken here too. No, no, no. Sorry, guys. Let me- What the fuck? Thank you, bro. I'm glad you enjoy the videos I put on YouTube. So what do we see here? This flow was taken. What the fuck? This flow was also taken here. Mm. So look here. Uh, you could see that gold is more volatile than silver because you see this sell side liquidities right here. If you notice here, silver failed to take out those low, especially this low, this particular one. See, but gold took that low here, and silver still failed, still didn't took that low. It also gonna go up there, I think probably. If not, then it would reverse from somewhere from the premium here. I guess this it could be this fair value gap, but gold is going to take out this high. Let's see. Okay, this could be a good trade, I guess, yeah, from here. Bro, right, just now I started streaming to check my microphone, I think. I also bought the camera for webcam, but I think I'm not going to go live with the webcam right now. I have some problem and there's some stuff left to do in the house. Wow. See this, see how this fair value gap respected here, and also this was a nice 14, perfect tap. Also there is a fair value gap, and what do we have? What else do we have here? Look, this breaker. We have this breaker. Why is this a breaker? This low was taken by this move down from this side. So this up close candle, up close or down? Yeah, up close candle becomes a bullish breaker. So look how many things were here. A bearish, bullish order block. Sorry, a bullish breaker, a fair value gap, fair value gap on, and also OT. And also there was this uh, hourly inversion fair value gap. Nice. Whatever. I don't trade gold. It may present some beautiful setup like this sometimes. No, I'm not from India, bro. And it's still ripping higher. It's still ripping higher. How clean is this? But whenever I try to trade this pair, it totally destroys me. Nothing works here for me. If I use a fair value gap, I get stopped out. If I use a OT, I get stopped out. So I just do not trade gold, any indices. I just trade this three currencies. Oh my god. GBP is still consolidating within this price range. Let's see what's happening in the 5 minute time frame. Okay. I think this was the setup for today's New York session. And for the London session, I think this could be the trade. Okay, for targeting this side. Let me show you right here. Putting a stop here and putting a stop here and the profit target here. So it could be a 1.1 is to 4 1.4 hour trade. And for the New York, I think this pair will get midway, and here I think it's going to be taken out probably. Um, Euro already took that high. See, Euro already took that high. Yeah, yeah. Hi, brother. How are you, Andrew? Bro, I am not from India, bro. I am trying to improve my accent. I think you will see some result within the next 3 months. I'm working on my accent, and it's uneasy, totally uneasy for me to do live like this, talking to you. It's new. All these things are new for me. So yeah, I'm still trying to learn, doing mistakes. That's it. Okay. By the way, the next video, I think it's gonna be a bit late. Like tomorrow, I think I wouldn't be able to make that tomorrow. I think the day after tomorrow, I'm gonna upload the next video on ICTs. We look gold. I already did, bro. I'm not a gold guy. Say it's ripping more higher. Bro, when you see this type of movement, you wanna get in. Oh my god, what a nice trade. Whatever, bro, I don't want to get into this. It's too scary for me. What about you guys? Did anyone took any trade today? Mhm. Maybe from tomorrow the stream gonna be a bit better. And guys and low. You short at London set. Oh my god, gold is going. You short at Geo. Let's see why did you short at Geo. Okay, I okay. London shorts and Geo. Okay, I see. But for I think first do your analysis on the higher time frame. But if you see a SMT on 5 minute, that doesn't mean that market would go higher from that point. There could be a bigger SMT on higher time frame that pushes price to upwards or in that direction to take out that specific liquidity. First, check those higher time frame, then gradually watch those lower time frame SMT for your entries. Do not take trades based on the lower time frame SMTs and targeting that high, opposite high. That's not going to be helpful. Friday high on you. Let's see what's in you. What's the Friday high with this high? Yeah, you can target that, but I don't think market would take those high as it's too choppy today. Um, Especially after a huge day like this, the market always consolidate before it breaks uh, in any direction from that range. So it didn't broke any range for the Friday high or low. That's why it's consolidating here. See, huge upside day. And I would love to see this has taken out this. week or the week after. But if it doesn't, then I would look for downside trades. What's going on in the 15 minute? See, it's consolidating it. I think if you are on you should cut the trade off. It's gonna irritate you, bro. There's no volatility in the market today. See, and you took that high and went to that hourly fair value gap here. What did I say? If you entered here, then you could have taken this upside trade on NQ. And what about yes? Yeah, yes also took that high. See, the 930 candle just tapped into this fair value gap, this small fair value gap. If we could have entered here and put our stop loss here and target for like I think that hourly high and fair value gap. Bro, we don't know, bro, when the market's gonna present nice setups, but I think when there's some major event going on, like uh, high impact news coming out, then we could see some volatility. Most of the time we see some volatilities on currencies or the specific pair where for which the news coming out. Basically I wait for some sort of higher time frame narrative, like where's price right now and what could be the next liquidity for that specific pair. And before I get into any trade, I check the news, then wait for the specific time. Like I basically trade New York session. That's it, and use correlation with other pairs. Bro, this is the first stream, bro. That's why I forgot to change the latency to the two shorts. It's now at normal latency. That's why it's delaying. Sorry for that. What's happening on yes? Yeah, you could have taken this trade, targeting that hourly high. See this fair value is perfectly respected. There was also this volume imbalance. If you could see here, this volume imbalance. So, yo, chat. I think I'm done for today. I was just checking if the stream is going on well, and those. No, 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 no. But I'm not Indian, bro. You'll soon know where I'm from. And why does this even matter? But I don't understand why everyone just asks me where I'm from, where I'm from. Work on your stuff, bro. Don't give a fuck what else is going on. I already said, bro, I am working on my accent a bit like Indian. You'll probably see some result uh, later this month, I guess. And these things is totally new for me. I never thought I would have such a community like 14,000 people in my channel right now. It's totally mind blowing. And by the way, those of you haven't joined my Discord server, you can go to my channel about section. You can find the Discord server there. We would do like spaces or weekly chat there. If you want, you can join the Discord server, guys. And yes, follow me on X. I would probably put weekly analysis there and also in my Discord server. Bro, maybe you guys won't believe this, but I stopped watching ICT like 6 months. I think saying it's 8 months ago. It doesn't mean that what he's teaching it doesn't work. It's just because that I've found what works for me, and he also said that so many times that if you find something that works for you, don't have to watch him. I learned ICT almost for 3 years, and then I journaled almost for 19 weeks. And after during that time, I found out what was working for me and what's that thing I was missing in the chart. Once I found it, then I just stopped uh, watching any other video, cleaning all the distraction. No, 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 bro. I'm not waiting for pullback. I just opened this chart because someone asked me to. I don't fit yes or NQ. oftenly. I mostly trade forex pairs. So yeah, if you have found what works for you, don't get into any other distraction. Don't watch anyone's video. It's going to create mess in your head. Just pick what works for you and then do not. What mentorship did you did 2000? No, I didn't do any mentorship during 2022 and 2023. I watched some videos, all I think, but I didn't go through all of them. What I did when I found out, when I first found ICT, I went to his OTE setup, optimal trade entry. Then I went to his sniper series, and then I think 2020 mentorship. After that, I started journaling, and then I think when the 2022 or 21 mentorship started, I watched a couple of those videos, and then when I find my setup, my particular setup, I stopped watching him, and I just listened to his stuff for the psychology part. Bro, USD cat moved nicely today. Yeah, I think the market is done for today. It's not going to present any more opportunity today. So I don't trade today. I already shared, bro, my experience. I almost, it's almost, I think, 3.5 years right now. I think 4 years. I started learning ICT, and for that, I still have those videos when I started ICT in my, I think, OTG, and in a pen drive. I used to download all his videos when I found him, because what he was teaching, it's clearly on the chart, bro. I don't know why others hate him. Just go through his stuff. You will see that stuff works. Bro, I am not an Indian, bro. My accent bit a bit off. I'm trying to learn American accent. Let's see how that go. So yeah, what as I was saying, just uh, I think if you guys watch the private mentorship videos on ICT's channel, those 12 videos particularly, you're surely going to find something. I don't know about the 2022 or 2023 mentorship, but I'm sure that if you want a particular model for you, then it's better for you to go through his private mentorship videos. It's on his channel right now. I think when he published those, that was the time, I think, when something clicked for me. So yeah, guys, I think this that's for today. We didn't took any trade today. I I think from tomorrow I'm going to trade live. If I see any nice setup, then I would probably trade on um, my evaluation phase with Phenotype funding. uh, I'm going to trade that in live. Let's see what happens. And by the way, guys, if you wanna grab your for funding account, then you can check out Phenotype funding. There's 20, you will get 25% off. Use code NextGen ICT. Or so. Okay, guys, until tomorrow, I guess it's a backup. Until tomorrow, guys, be safe, and yeah, bye, guys.